Have you ever wanted your customers to check their order status right inside Telegram without emails or support tickets? In this video, I'll show you how to create that using n8n and Google Sheets. A bot that asks for the order number, looks it up in your spreadsheet, and instantly replies with the results. In this tutorial, we're going to build a workflow in n8n step by step. The idea is simple. A user types .order, the bot asks for the order number, checks it in Google Sheets, and sends back the details. This automation is useful for e-commerce and any online store, any business that wants to reduce routine support work. First, let's configure Google Sheets. Go to Credentials, click Create New, and select Google Sheets OAuth 2. Authenticate your Google account and save the credential. Next, let's add your Telegram bot. Go to Credentials, Create New, select Telegram, and paste in your bot token. Save the settings. Our first node is Telegram Trigger. Open the Nodes panel, search for Telegram, and select Triggers, On Message. In the settings, pick your Telegram credential. Then click Execute Step and send the order command from your bot in Telegram. The node reacts immediately, showing the event in the output. Click back to Canvas. Now let's add a switch node to handle commands. From the trigger output, click the plus and add switch. Create two rules, one equals order and one not equals order. Drag the text field into the routing rules condition area. Click execute step, send a test message, and return to the canvas. Remember to save your progress. On output 0 of the switch, add Telegram, send message, and wait response. Set the chat ID from the ID field. In the message text, ask the user to enter their order number. For example, enter your order number to continue. You can see the example I'm using here on the screen. In response type, select free text. When we run execute step, the bot shows the prompt with a respond button. You can change the button text or hide the note. This message was sent automatically with n8n by using add options in this node. Now we will connect Google Sheets. Add Google Sheets, get rows, select your connection, choose the document and the sheet. Add a filter. In column, select ordered, and in value, drag the order number from the previous node. Click Execute Step. If everything is correct, the output will show the row with the order data. Next, let's send this information back to the user. Add Telegram, send message. Take the chat ID from the switch node. In the text field, map the necessary values from the Google Sheets output and format them. Run execute step and you'll see the order details in Telegram. To make sure the workflow does not stop on errors, open settings for the node and set on error. Continue. This way, even if an order is not found, the workflow will continue to run. Now let's configure the output for switch branch 1, which catches incorrect commands. Add another Telegram, send message node, use the same chat ID, and write select command from bot menu, also set on error, continue here. At this point, you can test your workflow. Click Execute Workflow to run the branches manually. Once everything works, switch from inactive to active. From now on, your Telegram bot will monitor messages in real time and reply automatically. And that is it. We have built a Telegram bot in n8n that retrieves order data directly from Google Sheets. It is fast, reliable, and requires no coding. If you want more automation tutorials, subscribe and check out our other videos.